Stocks and news: Seagull, PG Electroplast, Amanta Healthcare, Azad Eng, Wascon, Interach, Lemon Tree and Zaggle. 1. PG Electroplast, the consumer electronics company, through its subsidiary PG Technoplast, has acquired a 50-acre land parcel in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh. It plans to invest around 1,000 crore rupees in developing a manufacturing campus over the next 5 years. 2. Seagull India, the infra player's subsidiary, Seagull Ludhiana Bathinda Greenfield Highway, has received the appointed date from the NHAI for a project worth 981 crore rupees. The project involves the development of a 6-lane access-controlled Ludhiana-Bathinda Greenfield Highway section in Punjab on hybrid annuity mode under Bharatmala Pariyojana Phase I, Package 2. 3. Amanta Healthcare, the recently listed pharmaceutical player, returned to black in June 2025 quarter and reported a net profit at 3.5 crore rupees in June 2025 quarter. However, its revenue dropped 4.1% to 65.3 crore rupees for the reported quarter. Operating profit margin came in at 22.81%. 4. Azad Engineering, the industrial solutions player, has signed a new long-term contract and price agreement (LTCPA) with Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Japan, valued at 651 crore rupees for the supply of highly engineered and complex rotating and stationary airfoils for advanced gas and thermal power turbine engines to meet their global demand in the power generation industry. 5. Wascon Engineers, the company has entered into a Memorandum of Understanding (MoU) with Adani Infra, India, to collaborate as an execution partner under an early engagement model for 5 years. Under this arrangement, Wascon will be associated with Adani on selected earmarked projects right from the design stage, thereby ensuring seamless integration of design and execution. 6. Interach Building Solutions, the pre-engineering building solutions player, will invest 100 crore rupees in its new plant in Andhra Pradesh to enhance capacity for multi-story steel buildings, data centers, semiconductor, electronics, and battery plants. 7. Lemon Tree Hotels, shareholders of the hotels company, has appointed Neelendra Singh as managing director of the company and Kapil Sharma as executive director and chief financial officer for a term of 5 years effective 1st October this year. Godrej. 8. Agrovet, the animal feed company, has entered into a Memorandum of Understanding (MoU) with the Ministry of Food Processing Industries (MoFPI) for setting up manufacturing and upstream innovation facilities at an estimated investment of 960 crore rupees. 9. Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services, the e-commerce company, has signed a SaaS partnership agreement with IDFC First Bank, under which it will offer SaaS solutions to the bank's corporate customers. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice.